Well, I'm up here at PJ's again. Got to install this unit here. Brand new unit. Again, it went out on the coldest night. It went out. This is what you call an emergency call. Here, I got to get it all back together. I done went and got my unit. But look here, y'all. See that? See that? That's pure dirt. Thing ain't been serviced since it's been put in. Say coil. What you got to do, you got to kind of rake that, get all that stuff off there. I got to do this by hand first. Got to do it by hand first. Then I got to get my chemical up here and wash it out. That thing there, it's gonna be something. Yep, gonna be something. This is just all in a day's work. All in a day's work. Look at that. Let's try to clean that out of there. Get this thing, I'll let you see it when I get through with it. What it look like when I get it. Before I hook it up, I'll never make another video on it. Boy, what a mess. Yeah. Let me get this thing kind of cleaned out a little bit. And just while I shove it up, I'll let you see how it looked then. Alright, we'll be back after a while.